Hello everybody, I'm Sarah and I'm a recorder player. Hey everyone, I'm sitting here editing, and before we start I just wanted to say a huge thank you because Team Recorder has hit 200,000 subscribers last night. I couldn't have done it without you, so thank you so much to each and every one of you who's part of the team. Alright, let's get into the video. There are some new beginner recorders on the market and I'm really excited to give them a test run with you. Let's go. First up by NUVO is the Recorder Plus. They sent me two of these and I actually love that they come in recorder shaped cases. That's not what's exciting about them. Prepare yourself. This beginner soprano recorder has silicone keys. These silicone keys are very, very light. They are soft and flexible, and the point of them is to make sure that the holes are fully closed so you don't get squeaks. In my many years of experience as a recorder teacher, the fine motor skills required for young children to both feel and close the holes on the recorder can be quite challenging. I found it tends to be reliable, maybe from the age of 6 or 7. What to do if you want to start a child earlier. And that is exactly what the people at NUVO were thinking when they developed these silicone pads. On the back you have a black dot in the middle of the thumb pad. They say if you have your thumb kind of near that, then it should close. But they have a separate function. These black dots can actually be taken out. They're a little bit fiddly. Don't want to lose them. For students completely new, you can keep the plugs in. Later, if you want to start playing those low C sharps, D sharps, you can take them out. And then you have the full chromatic range of 2 octaves. I noticed that these pads are incredibly light. Now, I've had students before who've had keys attached to their instruments. The problem can be that those keys can be very heavy. The act of pushing down a key is actually harder than moving the finger itself. That isn't the case with these silicone pads. They're so light. Let's have a look on the back. Is this also removable, or am I just gonna break the recorder? Look at that. We can take out the plug on the back too. It's gone back in quite easily. I'm not actually sure if you need to take the plug out to play up the octave. I can play by just moving my thumb down to here. Let's check out the sound. Okay, does this sound like a handmade professional wooden recorder? No. Is that its purpose? No. I find the sound's not quite as refined as, for example, a Yamaha plastic soprano. Those are my favourites. But it's still very nice and it has a clear purpose, a good, solid starting instrument for getting to grips quite literally with the holes. I could imagine this not only being good for very young children who are developing those fine motor skills, but also for adults with physical issues where it's difficult to feel and close the holes. And they come in no less than 7 colourways, a white or black body with blue, green, pink or black keys. Ugh. They sent me another one, a black body with blue. This is in German fingering and this Baroque. Always go for a Baroque if you can. These little rings down here are reward rings. You can take them off, swap them with your friends. The teacher can also use them as rewards or incentives if that's your style of teaching. So the aim of these isn't your lifelong concert instrument, but a solid, reliable, accessible beginner instrument. And I think that's just as important. NUVO Plus. All right. I love these recorder shaped cases so much. The other innovation on the beginner recorder market was sent to me by Mollenhauer. It's their new range of Fipple. I'm so excited. Wow. Absolutely beautiful cases. Look at these. That's so nice. They have kindly sent me 4 because there are 4 different colours. Fipple, the inspirational soprano recorder for beginners. Look at this. So again, it strikes me that this recorder is very, very light. That's good for young hands. We don't want a heavy grenadilla recorder when you're 6 years old. I'm getting them all out now. I know I'm going to be cursing myself later when it's time to tidy up. I unknowingly coordinated my jumper with these recorders. Okay. I work with Mollenhauer a lot and I can always trust that their recorders are going to be reliable, good response, nicely in tune. I'm not disappointed here, this is lovely. The Fipples are made with a plastic head joint and with a maple wooden body underneath, so it's very light, washable, but with a nice sound. This is similar to the Mollenhauer Ardries Dream range, plastic head joint, wooden body. The Dream recorders have a bit of a wider, more Renaissance sound. I do have one, but John's currently playing with it. The build of the Fipples is based on Baroque recorders, so it has that feel, it has that sound. They've aimed to have the holes close together for young hands. They also say that they've raised the 7th hole up a bit so that your little finger can reach it. It feels very ergonomic. I know I'm not the target audience, but it feels nice. And like the NUVO Recorder Plus, it also comes in Baroque or German fingering. Here, the German fingering comes with single or double holes. There's also a pentatonic version with some of the holes filled in. More on that another time. This is so fun. It also comes with a whole game and education pack. From the website, there's a downloadable Fipple board game. I'll definitely be trying this with my 5.5-year-old. There is special Fipple sheet music, Fipple game cards. There's a whole fairy tale Fipple story. I've definitely have students who are into the stories and the fairy tales, so this would have been lovely. Ooh, Dutch recorder teachers. I think there's a Dutch method called Blokfluit Tovenaar, Recorder Wizard, that would fit nicely with all of this. It's got stickers. So if you go for the Fipples, you've also got this really nice kind of inspirational education pack around it that you can start your new students on. I don't know if I necessarily need to compare the sound because they have different aims, but I'm going to do it anyway. Here's the NUVO Recorder Plus. Mollenhauer Fipple. Price points. I know this is important, especially when you're a teacher trying to provide for your students and your music school. The NUVO Recorder Plus comes in at a lower price point. Online, I'm seeing in the range of 10 to 15 euros per piece. That's very low. Mollenhauer Fipple is a higher price point. On their website, they are sold for $49.50 each. Yes, the Fipple costs more, but as an instrument, it can take you further. This is a very nice recorder. There's no reason why you can't play this for years. Whereas the NUVO Recorder Plus is a fantastic and necessary solution to an issue that many beginner recorder players face. But at some point you probably will be moving on to a regular recorder without keys, maybe in wood. So there we have it, the Mollenhauer Fipple and the NUVO Recorder Plus. Both really exciting and I think good and reliable additions to the beginner recorder market. If you're a music teacher, check them out. I'll put the links below. If you've been using some of them in your lessons, please let me know about it. As always, you can subscribe to my channel by clicking on my face down here in the corner. Over here's the Team Recorder Patreon if you'd like to support the channel, and here's some more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye!